Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the water supply arrangements in buildings. In this we will be studying the different contents of connections from water main to buildings, water supply fittings and their descriptions with uses. So we'll start with the connections from water main to buildings. So it is a simple layout where the main water it is being connected to your respective water meter. First, the water main it will be connected we have a water main and it is being connected to a ferrule. It is a T junction and from T junction you will be having connection for communication pipe. Next you have a gooseneck which helps in reduction in pressure and it is being continued to a nipple connection. Next it will be entering the house. You will be having a stopcock. This stopcock you will be using while for getting the water. If you want the water, you will be opening this valve and you will be letting it to the water meter. If you don't want, you will be closing this valve and there is no meter running. So next it will be connected to your service pipes. The service pipe it will be connecting with the water meter and this line it indicates the property boundary line. After this, on the right side you will be having your own house and outside this it will be the main road or the connection of the main pipe it will be running through. Next we will be understanding what are these water mains. Water mains it is the pipeline which will be running from the treatment plant till the consumer service pipes and this will be saying that the main pipeline of the water supply system coming from storage reservoir and it is being maintained by local or the administrative authorities. Next there will be a service pipe. That pipe it will be connected from the water mains to the overhead to a storing tank or it will be the underground storing tank. Pipeline used for conveying water from water main to any building or premises, it is subjected to water pressure from the water main. The service pipe is connected to water main through ferrule. Next, we will be having the communication pipes. These pipes are the part of the service pipe extending from water main. This includes gooseneck and stopcock and next it is been under control of authority or it will be under control of some local bodies. Next, there will be a supply line. This pipe which is extended from stopcock, in the sense it is the next part of the communication pipe and it enters the storing tank. It might be your the underground or it might be your overhead tank and it is under the control of the consumer. Next we will be understanding the distribution pipe. You know what is this distribution pipe is? It is the pipe which separates from the service pipes. These are the pipes coming from the storing tank to various parts of the building such as sanitary fixtures, taps, etc. And before this I would have been discussed the word called ferrule. It is the right angled sleeve made of brass or gunmetal and is jointed to an opening drilled in the water main tube which is screwed down with a plug. As I have said, It is a T connection where we are going to provide this connection from water main. If we want to take out the water from the water main, we will be providing this right angled sleeve, which is made up of a brass or the gunmetal, using plug. It is been connected. It is usually a size of varying 10 to 50 mm in bore, and a T branch connection of the water main is used if the connection required are more than 50 mm bore. Next, the gooseneck. Goose is a bird. How the neck it is been the similar way. The pipe arrangement it will be like the same gooseneck. It is a flexible curved pipe about 75 centimeter in length, and it forms a flexible connection between water main to the service pipe, and it has the expansion and contraction as the properties. Next, we will be understanding the different connections now. The stopcock, it is provided before the water meter in the service line, even after the water meter also. In the consumer's house, we will be using this stopcocks. Stopcock is kept in a suitable masonry chamber with removable cover, and it is fixed in the street close to the boundary wall. It controls the supply to the building from the water main. This stopcock, we are going to use it to control the water supply from water main to the consumer house. The purpose of stopcock is to stop the supply of water. Temporary disconnection is made up at the stopcock, and permanent disconnection are made at ferrule. Next, the water meter. It is next to the stopcock and is used to measure the quantity of water consumed. It might be the daily, it might be quarterly, or it might be the monthly or yearly. Water meter are fitted into service mains with unions. The unions enable the meter to be changed whenever it is necessary. At the last, water taps or bibcocks. You might be seen in your houses the tap, otherwise we say it as the bibcocks. These are the water taps which are attached at the end of the water pipes. Wherever you require the water need to be getting out, and from which the consumer obtain water. It is operated from a handle. The bibcocks may also be push type or automatic type. So some of the taps have been displayed here. It is one type of the bibcock where we have a handle which is a type of rotating type, and we have a stem and the valve. From this way, the arrow mark how it is been showed, this way the water it enters. If we rotate in clockwise, it gets stuck and the water stops coming out through outlet, and if we rotate this in anti-clockwise, the water starts flowing. And this is a type of stopcock. From left, the arrow where I have shown, this way the water starts flowing, and this is the handle, and we have a stem and we have a thread for rotating these valves. And this, if this is being rotated in anti-clockwise, this cock or the handle it starts moving up and the water enters this way and goes, and it comes out from the outlet. If we rotate in clockwise, and this plate, the valve, it is going to settle on these two heads and the water stops coming out this outlet. So this ends this video. Thank you.